Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. I just wanted to do a quick video demonstration of how to submit Google Slides and Google Documents that you guys build yourselves to submit. I'm getting a lot that still aren't set to the correct link. So here we go. So this is an example of one of the assignments that my zoology class is doing right now. And it is a Google Slides assignment. So they are building it. If you are building the assignment yourself as a slide or a document and it is not embedded already, what you need to do is hit submit assignment. And this is where you're going to submit your link. You probably already know that. So you'll come to your assignment. Okay. For instance, again, here's the title of the assignment and your name is on it. You're going to come up and hit share. And then you are going to make sure that down here, this is the link that you get. You do not need to type my name in right there. Don't share it with me personally. Just click down here on Get Link. Make sure that these words right here say Canyons School District. If it says restricted right there, click the change to flip it to Canyons School District. Then you're going to click Copy Link. Link copied. Come back over to Canvas on the assignment, and that is the link that you Control-V, paste into the submission bar, then click Submit Assignment and wait for the confetti. Woo. Okay, all right. If you have any questions, if you need me to walk you through that one-on-one, feel free to come in and see me, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.